Hey guys, Dave Hathaway Property Management. It is another deal day where we analyze a new property and new market each week. Today we're gonna fly all the way over to a place called North County, San Diego. It's not a place I'm super familiar with, but it encompasses Encinitas, Carlsbad, Del Mar, Rancho, Santa Fe, Solana Beach, Oceanside, Vista, San Marcos. And we're gonna analyze a property over at 2824 Todd Street, Oceanside, California, 92054. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Looks like it's in a pretty nice location. It's tucked right against a park, and it's a single family home. It's listed for $750,000, and looking at the pictures, it looks like it needs a light rehab. It looks like the kitchen's a little dated. It could definitely use paint, so it's not just white. And it looks like it does have a little bit of paneling in one of the rooms, but definitely some new appliances, maybe stainless steel appliances, fresh paint job, and maybe just make the backyard a little bit better and usable. Zillow states that the rent is somewhere around $3,849. Looking at the comps, that looks about right. You could probably go a little bit higher than that if you made that property really, really nice. The comparable sales are right around 849. That looks about right for that area. What sticks out after you plug these numbers into the deal analyzer? The taxes are really low for that area, which is great. The location is great. And when I look at it, an all cash purchase gives you an ROI of 4.71%. Definitely not amazing if you're putting 800 plus thousand into an investment. But not the worst thing in the world. So you're gonna have to look at this investment as an appreciation investment, not a cash flow investment, at least not right off the start. Also, you can see that it's negative cash flow if you take out a loan. So it does hinder your having leverage. I also noticed that it's a pretty small equity spread, and that another kind of alarming thing is that recently in that area, population rates have declined. I'll show you a little chart. So that's just something to look out for. It could affect the market in the future. But the other thing that I would like to note is that looking at this market in the last 2 years, prices have gone up 33%. So that would worry me a little bit. Usually things that go up really quick can crash really quick, especially if you have a population decline. But overall, I'm going to give this one, I'm not even going to give it a thumbs down, thumbs up. I mean, overall, I'll just give it a ho-hum on rental property. A thumbs up if you're an appreciation investor and you don't care about cash flow, and a thumbs down if you're a cash flow investor and you want to live off your rental properties day to day. One of the last things that sticks out to me and shows the power of real estate is back in 2014, you see that the property is listed for $1,995, and today it can be listed for $3,800. So it shows that rent has increased $2,000, and that shows you just the power that real estate plays, and that if you value the property by today's rental, you're looking at cash flow, and that's fine, but sometimes you miss the big picture. So if you purchased this property back in 2014 and said, hey, I'm only going to be able to make $1,900 for the rest of the time that I rent this property, today you'd have an extra $2,000. So just kind of crazy when you look at it. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this content helpful, we'd love if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have a location, a property that you want to analyze, send us a message with the email in the description. We'll see you on the next one, guys.